I'd like to know, what am I under arrest for?
He wasn't here.
No, you gotta
It's
smoke.
not worth giving him any hard
You gotta
time.
smoke.
Say it again? What'd you say? I couldn't hear you.
I didn't say nothing.
Okay, it sounded like you said I smoked.
Yes.
Alright, so
You gotta smoke.
Welcome to Fort Lauderdale's The Wharf. To assist with crowd control during spring break, the popular venue now restricts entry for those under 23 with an out-of-state ID. This is William Hedrick, 22 years old, from Perry, Ohio. The body cam shows a disappointing start to spring break for Will and his friends after they are instructed to leave the entrance by off-duty police working security. Don't forget to leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.
Chill out! Get on the ground! Chill out! Get on the ground! Chill out! Chill the f*** out! Chill out! Bro, chill out! Chill out, bro! Nothing! Hey, let me get your hand, dude. Stop racing!
I haven't done nothing. I have not done nothing, bro. Get the f off of me. What have I done?
Get your right hand behind your back. Right hand behind your back.
What did I do? What am I under arrest for?
Put your right hand behind your back.
What am I under arrest for?
I'd like to know. Let's go.
No. What am I under arrest for?
No. He's not putting his right hand behind his back. Get your right hand behind your back.
What am I under arrest for?
Put your right hand behind your back.
Boy, what's your name? What's your name? What is fuck? What's your name? What's your name?
No problem. I got man lawyer. I got expensive lawyer.
Can I ask what I'm under arrest for? Can I ask what I'm under arrest for? I'm under arrest. My hands are handcuffed. I'd like to know, what am I under arrest for? I'd like to know, what the f am I under arrest for? He's a very calm down guy. Am I under arrest for? Sir, no, I am not done until I know what am I under arrest for. Sir, arrest me then, man. What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for? It's a straight question. Resisting arrest as to what? As to what? As to what, sir? As to what, sir? I got it.
My friend over there.
Guys, just calm down, you'll be a lot better off.
Sir, how am I resisting arrest? How am I resisting? I am.
I told you to leave.
I was not ever under
And then you held to my hand.
I did
You
not.
held on to my hand.
As you were pushing me forward.
No, I was trying to get away from you.
You were not trying to get away from nobody. I was not doing nothing, sir. I was not doing nothing, sir. I'm not trying to get up. You told me to lay down. You want me to get up? What do you want me to do, sir? Sir, what do you want me to do?
Listen to me. You're going to turn to your side. You're going to bring your knees to your chest and I'm going to help you out.
Okay, am I under arrest?
Yes, you are.
For what?
I told you, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest. Are you done?
How?
I'm not going to have a conversation with you until you do what I tell you to do. Turn to your side, bring your chest to your side.
How was I resisting arrest?
It's not resisting. Bro, what the fuck did he do? Let him roll with me. You have your ID, bro? No, I don't have nothing. Just so we're clear, we're going to stand you up on your feet, okay?
Sir,
and we're going to walk over to the police car.
Know how I did not listen?
We'll talk over there, okay? Bring your feet up. Bring your other leg up as well. All right. Sit up.
Hey, small dick! Your girlfriend thinks you're hard! Alright, small dick!
Don't get involved. Don't make the situation worse. I'm going to find out what happened, and then I'll talk to you, and we'll go from there. Alright? Just,
It's just shocked me because
it is.
this is a really good person when you're arrested. Like, it really, affects me.
Can I tell you something?
Yes. What he did, please.
I met him for like 15 seconds, and he was calling everyone pussies just now.
You just have to arrest him. I'm so sorry. If he did that, okay, arrest him. If that's true, arrest him. Yes, you're right, guys.
Who else did you come here with?
No,
You here with other people?
yes.
He's from Peru.
So he was calling precinct to other officers without no.
I mean, it doesn't matter, but listen, he's slipping here for now. If you want to go with your friends,
No, I'm going.
okay, go ahead. Hoover and Lift.
I agree. If he has.
Dude's got a little dick, so he called you guys up, huh? I hope you're not talking about the wrestling we did, because I'd have beat you. Hey, put my AAA card back in there. You got a small dick. Small dick, bro. Little Dick John here. I hope your wife loves you when you get home tonight. She might be fucking somebody right now, though.
Hey, listen, man. What's done is done. Don't give the guy bringing you to jail who had
No,
nothing.
you-
He wasn't
no,
here.
no, you got a
Don't. It's
small
not
dick.
worth giving him any hard
You got
time.
a small dick.
Huh? Say it again. What'd you say? I couldn't hear you.
I didn't say nothing.
Okay, it sounded like you said I had a small dick.
Yes.
All right, so you're obviously not willing to like cooperate or do anything like that, right?
I'm willing to cooperate. I've done nothing
I'm just
wrong.
asking you,
I've
you know,
done-
man to man.
I am willing
you
to
don't,
cooperate.
You don't give this
I've
guy a
done
hard
nothing
time, okay?
wrong.
That's
I
it.
will not give this guy a hard time. I know he's doing your job.
When's your flight
I
back to
know he's
Ohio?
doing your job. I don't have a flight back to Ohio.
Okay.
You wouldn't get it though. You got a badge on, bro. Never mind. Never mind. I shouldn't even talk to you about it.
It's actually
You don't get it, bro. You don't get it. You got a badge on, bro. You don't get it. I'm just a white boy though. I'm just a white boy though. I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm privileged. Hollywood, Ohio. You got my phone? You got my phone?
Yeah, it's right here. This way, please.
Must have been having too much fun for everybody there. Like, what's going on, bro?
Like I said.
Were they jealous? Like, I don't understand why I am here. I was not resisting arrest, like you said, at any point.
Let me just make sure that
Nobody
There's nothing
before
I can
you
do.
has explained the
Alright,
situation to
there's
me.
nothing I
I'm
can do. You have
asking
to see
you
the
to
job.
explain the situation.
There's nothing I can do.
Can I explain?
You have to see the
Can
job.
you explain why I'm in this
Bro,
situation?
They're gonna send you to the
Can
hospital.
you-
You're gonna be here till 7 in the morning.
Can you-
and then you're gonna get out
Can you
tomorrow at
please?
7
Can you
p.m.
please explain why I'm in this
I
situation?
don't know why you're here.
I don't
I
know
just
either.
did a transfer.
Okay.
Could you just wait?
That's all I wanted to know.
Alright, perfect.
Nobody explained
Alright,
to me
can you
why I
just
was
chill?
under
Can you
arrest.
just follow instructions? Can
Yes.
you chill with it for a second?
Yes.
Alright, just.
I never knew why I was under
Alright,
arrest, and I asked 4
Can you
times.
just chill here for a second? Over here. Just lay over here, man. Just lay over here. Like that. Just follow my instructions, man.
I guess we let's see that. I know I'm not the worst person to see in life.
I haven't. You're not a bad person to me. That's why I'm treating you the way that I'm treating you.
6 years ago, the reason he was going to be gone with the league was because of his children.
Get rich.
Hey, Drip.
I'm ready for them. Remove the cup? Alright, bro. Just another question. Do you think that